Hello, my name is Guadalupe and my infomercial will be on depression. So this is the table of contents. So on the table of contents, it shows that we will be talking about the definition, the facts, the signs and symptoms, the risk factors, the effects, decisions, attitudes, and the types of depressions that there is. The definition of depression is a mental health disorder that is characterized by experiencing feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and a lack of interest in activities. This can affect how a person thinks, feels, and handles their daily activities. Some facts about depression is it's one of the most common mental illnesses. Depression affects over 18 million adults every year. It can affect anyone regardless of their age, race, or their ethnic background. Depression is the main reason why someone in the United States dies from suicide every 12 minutes. About 44% of college students report having symptoms of depression, and about 75% of college students do not seek help when it comes to mental health problems. Some signs and symptoms that correlate to depression are feeling of sadness, easily irritable or frustrated, even over small matters, insomnia or sleeping too much, lack of energy, weight loss and reduced appetite, anxiety, feeling of worthlessness and fixating on past failures, suicidal thoughts, and unable to concentrate. Some risk factors that are associated with depression is family history, the gender of someone, poor nutrition, personality traits, medication and substance abuse, and chronic stress. Some effects, decisions, and attitudes correlated to depression are the effects is executive dysfunction, impaired memory, and reduced attention and concentration. When it comes to decisions, people with depression find it very difficult to make decisions. And whereas attitudes, especially when it comes to college students with depression, they have reported that they do not like to seek help when it comes to it. The last and final slide is the types of depression. So there's four different types of depressions. There's major depressive disorder, which is known as clinical depression, and it is an inescapable and low mood, often accompanied by the loss of interest and low self-esteem. The symptoms for this are present every day for at least 2 weeks. Then there's persistent depressive disorder. It's known as the long-lasting form of depression that has symptoms that are present on most days for at least 2 years. Then there's postpartum depression. This is the depression that occurs right after giving birth to a child and can generally last at least 2 weeks and up to a year. And then there's premenstrual dysphoric disorder. It's a type of premenstrual syndrome which is identified when a woman encounters intensive manifestations of depression, tension, and irritability during the week leading up to menstruation. And these are the resources that I used for my infomercial. Thank you.